is for a few reasons. One reason is the leader of the hotel, whom I'm going to introduce you. I love to sit here, and I wish I could do theater. I've actually offered to him my services free, and I said, I'll do supper theater for you. You'll make $1 million if you hire me, but he refuses to believe me. And there walks in a very charming lady. I'm going to perform for her today. Her name is Dr. Shankar. Okay? Please take your seat. We're about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, dim the lights. I have my opening comments to make. Dara, you ready? Yes. Lovely. Okay, dim the lights. I just need the focus light. We are on camera today, and my lovely ravishing colors for you. And the rest of the audience. I love you all. Nobody said I love you back. Oh, love me 4, love me 6. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my lights are not getting right. Good evening. How do I look now with just the light over me? Dazzling. I'm reminded of a very beautiful book, Peaks and Valleys, written by Spencer Johnson, which did not become hit like Who Moved My Cheese, but it is sad that it did not become hit. And I'm going to show you the dance of performance. It's a dance of disability this evening as an opening dance to pay a tribute to all of you, not just on the Valentine's Day, but every day, because every day is a day of love. My sister, who's a doctor, is around here. She taught me one thing. She says, be love. When you are love, all that you attract is love. And the universe just says, you are love, and all that you attract is love. Is there disability to what we are saying, doing, believing, acting? Is there disability to the manner in which we conduct ourselves? Is there disability in our mindset? Probably yes, ladies and gentlemen. It's a story being narrated in front of you using stunning visuals and colors. The dance of performance directed by my choreographer, Dhara Mehta, along with 2 of her colleagues, and they will be introducing to you this dance of disability to tell you, to make you believe, yes, I can. And if I know that yes, I can, I'm going to do anything and everything that I could to make it happen. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you a lovely number, Yes, I Can. Watch it to believe. This is our rehearsal as a tribute to you. I'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen.
कृधाती धागे ना धुन घेना धागे ना धा
All right, please come. Wow, what a performance. So amazing, all of you. Let's take a bow together, all of us. Come on. I love you. My dance teacher, she's my dance teacher, actually. Dhara Mehta. Ladies and gentlemen, we take a bow. So, Mr. Chandar, would you say thank you to them on all our behalf? Our leader, our host, and everything for us. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Chandar for you today.
So, Praveen Chandar, I'm the general manager of the hotel. And first of all, I would like to thank all of you. I haven't seen such an energetic troupe. And it was going on and on, I think 20 minutes. And that was the pure energy and emotions that we saw. So thank you. Thank you very much indeed.
Move on to the next category. This is the Best in Class Manufacturing Awards. The Manufacturer of the Year in the Personal Protective Equipment, Eurosafety India. Congratulations. Next category is the Best in Class Award for Productivity in Manufacturing in the Leather Footwear Sector, Eurosafety Footwear India Private Limited. Congratulations, Eurosafety Footwear.